Should I have my immigration lawyer attend my USCIS interview by telephone? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States at our offices in Washington, D.C., San Diego, California, and St. Louis, Missouri. Due to COVID, USCIS has allowed attorneys to attend immigration interviews by telephone. We believe this to be a very bad idea, and we do not agree to do these for our clients. We do not believe it is in our best interest to have one of our attorneys attend the interview by phone. Now, we took over some cases from an attorney in Washington, D.C. early last year, and when we did so, that attorney said to me that she does not believe that there needs to be an attorney at most USCIS interviews. I believe this is wrong. I believe that an attorney can be critical and make the big difference between getting a case approved and getting a case denied. And I believe that to be true in most situations. I've seen too many cases go off the rails because an attorney wasn't present. And then that leads us to this COVID situation where, because of the health concerns and the spreading of Omicron and the other versions of this virus, people were nervous about having another lawyer in the room. Now, lots of USCIS offices have made protocols, including obviously wearing masks, and then they've been even conducting interviews inside the USCIS office, but with the officer in a different room than the applicants. And we have no problem with that. But the problem with telephone interviews is that it's oftentimes what we've seen so far, that the lawyer is not even called, that the officer just skips and starts the interview, and the clients usually fold without insisting that the lawyer be called. And then, of course, there are always the technological issues of calling the attorney. These calls don't go through, and we've just heard horror stories. So we don't think it does anyone any good to have a lawyer attend by phone. We'd rather have you either pay for us to attend or to hire another attorney in your town. We think most, like I said, interviews require an attorney, and we do not believe that it's anyone's best interest, especially our clients, to have one of our lawyers attend by telephone. So we advise against it, and we always encourage our clients not to go to the interview alone, but rather to work with a local attorney, and sometimes we even help make that connection, because we believe so strongly that it's in the best interest of the client to have an experienced immigration lawyer at that interview, and that's why we don't agree to it. And we don't think you should agree to it either. We think it's bad form. We think it leads to problems, and it could really lead to a negative decision in your case, which can really have long-term consequences for you. So hope that makes sense. If you have any questions about that, give us a call, 314-961-8200. If you want to email us about an upcoming interview you have, feel free to email us, info@hackingimmigrationlaw.com. And then, of course, you can find us in our Facebook group. It's called Immigrant Home. We have thousands of members in there who are talking about immigration every single day. That's also where we go live along with our YouTube channel every single day in January, where we're answering as many of your immigration law-related questions as possible in just under an hour. We're trying to do 31 minutes at least every day of the month, but we've been going a lot longer, usually around 50 minutes, and we hope to see you later on today. Thanks a lot, and have a good one.